Alright, so your homework is very simple. In the remaining 4 classes, create data annotation for all the properties. So in all of the classes, make the ID to be database generated identity key. So that's fairly simple. Again, just follow what I did so far. Now in the country, make sure that the name is required and is no more than 50 characters. If it is, create a custom message that will let the user know that only up to 50 characters are allowed. And the same for the category. The name of the category needs to be up to 50 characters, and again, create a custom message for that. In the review, make sure that the headline is required and then the length of the headline is between 10 and 200 characters. And if it is not, create a custom error message. And for the review text in the review, again, it's required, but the range is between 50 and 2000 characters. And in the reviewer, the first name and last name need to be required, and the first name needs to be up to 100 characters and the last name up to 200 characters. So again, this is a fairly simple homework. I hope you'll give it a try, and in the next video I'll show you my solution.